Hi dolls, welcome to Nailed It. My name is Lizy G. Christmas is almost here and I have for you this design that is really easy to recreate so you can actually do it yourself if you don't have time to go to the salon or something like that. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this Christmas lights. I already did 2 coats of this nail polish that I don't even remember where I got it, but you can use any nude color or you can wear white. But I love this one because it's kind of like an ivory. I'm also going to use acrylic paint. This is the easiest to work with little designs like this. And I already have them here in my little plate. Alright, let's get started. With this brush, I'm going to start with my Christmas tree and this nail. So I'm going to grab the darkest. Let me show you how to do this. I'm going to take the darkest green and then dip it into the lightest. Grab dark, grab lightest, and I'm just gonna swirl a little bit so my brush can have both of them, and it's gonna do like a really cool effect. So I'm going to start with the top of the tree and make like a little A shape. And don't worry if it looks a little bit messy. That's the point. It has to look a little bit messy. Now I'm going to change my brush. I'm going to use this one now. And I'm going to grab again the darkest green. Alright dolls, now that I have this, and I actually did like a little zigzag right here on the Christmas tree for now. We need to grab a little bit of green again with the other brush. And then place the little base for the lights. Just like that. We're gonna do like a circle, like that. And you're gonna do the same thing with every color. Okay, now that we have this and it's already dry, it's time to make them look that they are actually. To do so, you have to grab, like, let's start with the blue, a little tiny bit of blue, and then grab white and swirl until you have like a really baby blue, just like that. And you are going to place a little dot right in the middle, like that. This is gonna give you the illusion that the lights are on. Alright dolls, now to finish off my design, I'm going to put a layer of top coat, and then I'm going to grab this little tiny stars that I got on eBay, and then I'm gonna place a little star right on the top. So cute. Alright dolls, this is the end result of this Christmas lights design. I hope you guys like it and learn. It looks difficult, but it's not. You saw that it's really easy to recreate. Thank you very much for being here. Welcome to the new ones. Happy holidays, everyone, and I will see you on the next one. And for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah!